let's jump off to something totally different. We're going to clean a carpet. I just want to show you carpet, and this one happens to be at my place. I must tell you that my wife is a very patient woman, and there's a lot of experimentation that goes on around our house, or sometimes things get delayed because I want to experiment, or I'm just too busy doing other things like you are. But it's really fun when we finally break it through. If you take a look at this carpet, you can see there are two carpets cleaned and two steps cleaned and two steps not cleaned and really dirty, filthy. This carpet right here, let me just that one was actually shampooed with a regular carpet cleaner, and that was the results. So it was getting nowhere with regular carpet shampoo. Now, I did an experiment up on the top here with finally the hardest, strongest of the cleaners I could get, the Oxy cleaners that you can buy in the renovation centers. It just about killed me. It just about killed her with the fumes. We were doing this in the wintertime, and it cost me $7 to do one step, just using the product. It got clean. It's a beautiful, clean job compared to was. But I wasn't going to do that and then all the way up this other staircase on the other side. There's no way I was going to go do that. So I decided to try something that I've never tried on a carpet. It's a product that I really support a great deal, but I support it for getting oil off of the driveway. It's called Oil Lift, and it was actually originally made for cleaning oil off of concrete and asphalt and things like that. But the guy who has invented it out in British Columbia, it's, by the way, green. It's one of the only things that actually has an eco, government eco logo on the top of it in terms of cleaners. And so he does all kinds of things with it. So he told me to take a 1 to 10 dilution of this solution and water and work on it there. Just before we go on to how I did it, because there were some tricks that made it work, but it worked amazingly, and I did the whole staircase. I want to show you this thing called Mix and Measure. And again, I'll put the link for you down in the bottom of the website here. I stumbled on this a couple of years ago, and I just love this little bucket because he told me to make this 10-to-1 mix. And that's really fairly simple. You measure 10 times, and then you measure one of soap, right? Well, sometimes you need 3 ingredients. One's 5-to-1, the other's 10-to-1, and life gets complicated. Look at this thing. All the way around the bucket, I have a chart here. Now, if I go down into this chart here to, let's see, well, 10-to-1 is worn off right there, so I have to, it's right in here. If I get to the 10-to-1 chart right here, and I've got this printed elsewhere so I can see it, I fill this up to, let's say, that level, and it says 4. Then I'm going to fill the next one to there, and it makes the difference between the two. So when you really want to, there's 3-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 4-to-2, 4-to-2, 5-to-1, 18-to-6, etc. So you can actually get these kind of differences just by looking at the edge. Fill the first thing, then fill the next one up to the 3. If you have a third one, you fill it up to the 3. Whatever you do, you get the right mixture. That's a cool mixing bucket. Do print out the guide because it gets worn off of the bucket. Now, so what do? I take this, I get it in hot water, I put it, the soapy mixture on the step, and I just scrub it a little bit. I didn't work hard. The first one I worked really hard. I don't work too hard. I just scrub it in, leave it for an hour, but I keep coming back to make sure it stays wet. And I've really pretty well soaked it. And so I keep coming back. An hour later, I'm going to come in here with a shop vac. And you see me working down here with a shop vac. This is a wet, dry vacuum cleaner. And I'm sucking all that soapy water out, just painstakingly pulling that out. Now, that's not the easiest job in the world, but it's not heavy elbow grease. Then, when it's all out, I did it again for another hour because it wasn't clean enough. But the second time, it really started getting clean. And what's happening is I'm cleaning the fibers all the way to the bottom of the rug. I'm not just cleaning the top. So I'm getting everything out because of the vacuum, and there's a fair amount of liquid there that's being pulled up. And then after the second time, then I got clear water, and I soak it in clear water and immediately bring that up so that I'm rinsing it right out, just like the cleaners that use vacuum action for rugs. But for the carpet, it's better with a shop vac. You don't have a great big tool to deal with. We actually recuperated this. My wife was going to insist on brand new carpet running all the way up. We really like carpets on our stairs. And when she came home and saw that, she said, "You changed the carpet." I won. I won. So I did it with no problems to my lungs because the oil lift is simply not non-toxic. I wore no gloves because it was non-toxic. I didn't scrub hard, but I did rub it in and I was patient. I let it soak. I let it soak. It's a green product. They take time to get them to work.